it's Chick and welcome back to my channel. As you can see today we are in my apartment and I wanted to give you a tour in my apartment because I'm moving very soon. I've been living here for 3 years, so it's time to change the environment, change the home, change the house, and also I'm going to be redecorating. So I wanted to show you the old furniture that I've been living with for a while now. I need to get rid of it and get new ones, but for now I want to show you how it is. It's a very simple apartment but very nice. I really like it. I really had a good time here. I'm so sad to say goodbye my nice home, but I'm going to a better place, so I'm happy. I'm not like sad or anything. I'm gonna miss my neighbors or something like that, but that's it. Yeah, but it's a nice home. I like it. It's very simple. And when I redecorate the other one, I'll show you what I've done in the place, and also I'll show you where I've moved to. But right now, enjoy the tour, my darlings. I love you. Mwah. Let's do this. So we're going to start with the living room. That TV stand, I've had it for a very long time. I want to get rid of it because I don't like I don't like the size. First, also I don't like the way it leaves all the wires showing like that. So that one is gonna go. But not yet. Once I move to the other place so that I can just see how I'm gonna set up, then I'll know what type of TV stand to get. I'm going to replace this with a console table at some point, but right now that acts like some sort of decor. I don't know. That's the washing area, and that's also where I wash my cat's dishes. Yeah. The kitchen it's an open plan type of place. Now this room is more of a storage room, ironing room, handbag room, ironing room, everything. Yeah. So through here, that's the guest bathroom. And then going through here, this is my the guest toilet. Now going in through here. This is my bedroom. This is my master bathroom. I'm going to change this bed. I'm going to put this in the guest room once I move. I'm very messy. Yeah, and that's it. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. I'm going to a bigger house. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you did, please subscribe.
Niende holiday, party party. Pia Dubai, nika party party. You call them vanity, I call them basic me. Yes, can you handle it? Can you handle it?